I did this all live on the New York live stream. Last month we was fucking on fire. We had 2 losses the entire month. Apex came and fucking slapped, literally got the knob out and slapped it on the table.
Oh, there's someone fucking watching this right now, and yes, I'm speaking to you. You are going to work in a job that you fucking hate, despise every single day, giving it your all. Got a fucking dickhead boss, waking up for some shit you just don't, and going to a place you just don't want to be. And you are funding your accounts. You are funding your trading portfolio. You're fucking basically just rinsing and losing all your money on trading right now. You know what, bro? Don't fucking stop.
Fucking come on. Yo boys, so today's video, I'm going to show you how to do. We made 2.4k across multiple accounts, brand new accounts, and exactly how I plan to pass around 2 to 3, 4, 5 accounts a day if need be. Apex came and fucking slapped, literally got the knob out and slapped it on the table. Slapped it on the table, bro. End of day drawdown. No payout denials. 50% consistency rule. Are you fucking mad? Bro, end of day drawdown, so there's no more trailing drawdown, bro. That's fucking lit, bro. So I'm stacking up on my Apex accounts this month. This month will be my best month trading. Mark my words. I guarantee it. Watch. I'm going to show you all. I'm going to post every single day this month, whether I can fucking record a video or not, because it crashes and shit. I will make it happen. We're 2 trades away from a payout on London. If I decide to take, a 3.5, 4k payout, I probably want to go for the 6k, but I don't want to be greedy. I've only just started trading my London session accounts for 3-4 days. And so I want to break down today's trade and show you everything, Shan. So obviously you can see this is a brand new account on Top Step. I did this all live on the New York live stream. Today I traded New York session. Now as well, if you was in the live stream, big up to you. There were like nearly 250 people in there at one point, which is fucking mad for my first ever day, bro. If you want to join that, jump in the description. I can't lie, I was shitting bricks today. First ever day. Not gonna lie, I was bricking it. It had me nervous, this one. I don't get nervous often, but for some reason my heart was racing today. I genuinely was shitting bricks. I was so nervous for today's trade, but we pulled through. Now, initially, because I couldn't record the trade because my shit started lagging out and crashing out, I'm going to have to just walk over it. Now, initially, coming into market open, as you can see here, we have our support and we have our resistance. Price can't break above, price can't break below on the spot. I trade super simple, no fancy fucking indicators, none of that fancy bullshit, right? It's just simple, bro. If you're using all these indicators and shit, you're probably getting noshed off by some nerded fucking back. All we do is support, resistance, resistance, support, and we take a break, market open. So as you can see, when it price broke above initially, I actually got wicked out on YM. So I lost the trade here, right? As you can see on this candle here, boom, it breaks our resistance level. I got in pretty aggressive as well. It wicked me out. I lost $500. Now, didn't care too much because NASDAQ came through. NASDAQ's been ripping, Shan. No drawdown whatsoever with NASDAQ. So, boom, ripped all the way through these levels. And, yeah, I ended up, because I had multiple charts on the same screen together, I ended up having my contract size 5 times smaller than it should have been for MNQ. I had it as if I was trading YM using 2 minis. But for MNQ, I need to use 10 contracts, and I only had 2 contracts in there. So when I entered, I was like, shit, I had to boom, 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 real quick. On the live stream, a lot of you man would have seen that. I won the trade, hit a 1 to 2 real quick. And then because I am on an evaluation, I did take another trade. I saw that we retraced on this level here, right? On this support level here, which wasn't originally the resistance, but it became support. So I took another trade when it broke off of there. So what that would have looked like was essentially, so the initial entry was down here. As soon as I made my 1,000, I was like, okay, well, I'm on an evaluation. I want to pass it in 2 days. So I need another $500. So I took another entry here, ended up winning, ended up making more than I should. Now, unfortunately, as well, I had all these Apex accounts lined up. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Apex accounts. So look, boys, as you can see, if you go into Apex, right now they have end of day trail accounts and they have intraday trail accounts. Now, the old accounts that we was all using was the intraday. Now, what that basically means is, right, let's say, for example, we take a trade. Let's say we take a trade here, right? This is our entry, right, this line, right? Let's say we go at $1,900 and we're trying to make $2,000. Now, what would happen is if this went all the way back down and you had your stops at break even, yeah, you would break even, but you would lose $1,900 of your $2,500 buffer, right? Of your cushion, of your drawdown. which is fucked because when you go into the day after, you only have $600 to play with rather than $2,500, which would fuck everyone in the ass, which is why you had to risk really low with Apex. You couldn't let yourself fucking, you know, when winners win, you couldn't let them run because like you were scared of the consistency rule, and two, the trailing drawdown. It could fuck you in the ass. But now they've got end of day drawdown, so it's basically just a similar. Now the drawdown rule is now basically the same as Top Step, right? It ends at the end of the day, which is fucking lit. But the crazy thing is you can get 20 accounts, bro. So right now, because they've done the new launch, they've done obviously the 90% off offer, right? Or fucking 85%, right? Personally for me, when you do get a Tradeovate, when you do get an Apex account, they use Tradeovate, which is this platform. I can't even be asked logging in, I don't like it that much. Which is basically this platform here, right? To me, this just looks like driving a fucking aeroplane, bro. Like, it's just not as clean as, let's say, Top Step. So what I do is, this is the get around, right? Listen, hear me out, right? Here's what I do. So you get a Top Step Combine, right? The reason why we get a Top Step Combine is so we can use Project X. I personally just really like Project X. I think it's way cleaner. The data comes through very quick, whereas if you're using TradingView and trading on TradingView, you'll find that there's a little delay and it can fuck you up, whereas Top Step is so quick, right? So I use Top Step as the main account, right? This is the main account. Now using TradeSyncer, which I've used today, you make Top Step the leader account, right? You see this crown? Leader account. Then what you do is you buy all the Apex accounts, which are fucking dirt cheap, right? Use the code LOCKIN right now. Buy 5, 10, 20. You can get 20 accounts, right? So you could pass 20 accounts in one fucking trade, which would be $1 million in funding. Now, for budget sakes, I don't have bread like that. Not yet anyway. So I'm maybe risking 3 to 5 trade, right, this week. Now today, in New York session, I should have passed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts. And I'll tell you why, right? So I ended up making a winner, right? Now I ended up being 1.5k up on my Top Steps. Now, all the accounts following should have been 3 times that amount. But for some reason, it just didn't work. Last week it was working. I did this on Friday and this shit worked. Now today it just didn't work, which really pissed me off. But we moved because we would have had 5 more accounts and I could have been trading all my fundeds tomorrow and be funded for New York once again. But this is a really easy way of getting funding. So it just looks just like this. You get Top Step. If you don't want to use Tradeovate and you don't want to use TradingView, you buy a Top Step Combine, $50, $49. You buy all your Apex accounts. You come down here. You go 50k. End of day. Now you want the new accounts the end of day, bruv, because that way you're not getting fucked over with trailing drawdown. Every single time you want to use the code LOCKIN, this is how you're going to get 90% off. And boom, there you are, bruv. So basically the way this works and the reason why it's so effective, right, is one, it was once $200 and now it's $29. But let's be honest with you, to put these sales on all the fucking time, so they're full of shit. $29 for an account, right? Now the crazy thing is you don't pay the activation fee until you've actually passed the account. Now the thing is, most prop firms, you have to pay for the account plus the activation fee as well, right? Now Top Step, you obviously can pay $50, but with this you can literally pay $30 and then you pay the activation fee, and the activation fee is cheaper. So this is literally the cheapest and easiest way. Now with Top Step you can only get 5 accounts, whereas with Apex you can get 20. Now look boys, if you want to see the P&L that I've got in my description that I do every day, as you can see, this is my London P&L. Last month was fucking on fire. We had 2 losses the entire month. February, not as good, but still up 17R. So like, suck your fucking mum. And then this month, March, this morning I took no trade. My trade of it was down, but it did end up hitting a 1 to 2 within like fucking 30 seconds, literally 30 seconds. If you was on the live, you would have seen, but my trade of it was unfortunately down, so I missed that green day. Now, New York, as you can see here, we started off green, starting the month green, so I'm planning to continue to do so. First ever live trade today, boys. Today is my first ever live stream, boys. Like, yo, it's kind of mad, you know, doing this shit. Like, my heart today, bro. Honestly, boys, my first ever New York session live trade today, my heart was beating, bro. I can't even lie. My heart was beating. I started this stage, right, in New York, right? Obviously, if you want to jump in, join the breakout room. It's in the description, in my Discord. I jumped in on the charts, bro, and my heart was fucking boom, 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 boom. Bro, I was like, had to keep calm, but, you know, we came through. Luckily, the first day was a W, which I'm very grateful for, very happy for. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the video on film and film the trade. But yeah, I hope to come in again tomorrow and probably add another five accounts to my portfolio, take a W, walk away nice. I'm probably going to focus solely on just NASDAQ though. I'll be honest with you, looking at both NASDAQ and YM, sends my mind a bit wiggy, I can't lie. I'm very ADHD. So like my focus is a bit like fucking sporadic. I'm a bit like squirrel. You know what I'm saying? So like I feel like when I have an NQ and I have one pair, I lock in a lot better. So I'm probably just gonna focus on that. Probably still line up YM for those that want my input. But yeah, boys, this is the setup, how I'm gonna do it. This is exactly how I did it last month and how I'm about to get a fucking payout from London session. And yeah, man, this is also gonna be in the description as well. But yeah, boys, I'll be back at it again with a video tomorrow. So wait on that. If you do want to get the discount with the end of day trail and drawdown, which is brand new to Apex, which is literally just fucking shit on every platform basically at this point. $29, banging. Day another $1. Let's keep it moving. Let's fucking smash this month. Boys, I felt like giving up on Thursday, Friday last week, bro. I had one of them days where I was down, bro. I lost all my New York accounts, but watch. You're going to watch me get it back in real time. And I appreciate every single one of you watching. Every single one of you fucking supporting the videos. Honestly, it means a lot. I'm so grateful and thankful that I'm able to do this shit. Like, boys, fucking love to you all. And keep grinding, keep back testing, and do not quit. Lock the fuck in. Right, now I'm finished with that, boys. I'm just gonna walk back to my car, walk it out, stretch out. But jeez, I'm so unfit. This is the next journey, boys. The next thing I'm going to be tracking. My fitness, my health. I've really struggled to run a 3K, bro. That's crazy. I've run a half a marathon in the past on no preparation whatsoever, but because I was boxing, I was already fit and healthy. And like, I don't know where my fitness has gone. Well, it's gone in that fucking chair looking at the screen, working on all my businesses. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Eat right, train right. Oh, we've got a journey ahead of us, boys, and we're documenting the whole fucking thing. Watch. You're gonna watch it all before your fucking eyes in real fucking time. Trust me. Oh.